Have you ever wondered how much time you actually waste editing a single short video? Finding stock footage, picking the right music, syncing subtitles. It's a total grind. But what if I told you an AI could handle all of that for you while you're grabbing a coffee? Hey everyone! Today, we're breaking down Pictory, the tool that turns your text into a polished video in just minutes. Before we get started, if you want to take your content to the next level, I've included special affiliate links in the description below for Pictory and the incredible Voice AI ElevenLabs, as well as other useful free tools and a link to a step-by-step presentation. These AI tools are free but have limitations. They'll be enough for you to try them out. But if you want to keep using them, use my coupon to get a discount. Well then, let's get started. Pictory is a cloud-based video editor powered by AI. Its secret sauce isn't just filters, it's context. It actually analyzes your script and automatically selects the perfect video clips from a library of millions of stock assets. No copyright strikes, no legal headaches. Everything is ready to publish right away. Let's see it in action. The script-to-video mode is a game changer. You just paste your script, and Pictory breaks it down into logical scenes with matching visuals. But the real magic? Automatic captions. Statistics show that 80% of people watch videos on mute while they're commuting or at work. These captions are your key to better engagement and keeping people watching until the very end. While Pictory has its own built-in voices, for a truly professional and persuasive result, I highly recommend using ElevenLabs. It's hands down the best AI for realistic speech and voice cloning today. Just generate your audio in ElevenLabs, download the file, and upload it to Pictory. The AI will automatically sync the scene transitions to the pace of your voice. This combo basically replaces an entire production studio. Who is this for? Teachers, marketers, and anyone running a faceless YouTube channel. This duo might not replace a Hollywood film crew, but it will save you dozens of hours of grunt work every single week. Ready to give it a try? All the links are in the description right below this video. Don't miss out on the chance to automate your content. Give it a try, experiment, and see you in the next video.